Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be playing the HMS Repulse. I mentioned in my last video that I actually really liked it. I don't really know why I like it, I just do. So we're going to play it today and see if we can do halfway decent, maybe. Yeah, also the last two videos I posted, I guess YouTube didn't like, because I guess the music in this game is copyrighted. So there's not going to be any music in this one unless I can find online some uncopyrighted music somewhere that I can play. I need a turn. Yeah. Hopefully it was the music. And I don't know why, but the first couple videos I posted, it didn't mind. It's like it's a relatively new development. It not liking, or YouTube not liking the music. Or I guess it's not YouTube, it's the game that just doesn't want me playing the music. Don't. I wonder, it might just be something like maybe the music in the home screen is what's copyrighted. I don't know, I'll have to figure it out. Because the music in the background kind of helps to make it a bit less boring when there's just nothing going on like right now. Oh, this dude is really lighting me up, ain't he? Oh, and I'm getting shot at from over here. Come on now. Well, I can take on a Texas, I think, although I am really low HP, so I probably shouldn't try and speak too soon here. Ooh. Knock that guy out, perhaps. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I'm stuck. And I'm gonna get hit by a torpedo. Well, on the good note, there's only 2 ships left. Get our interceptors ready in case the carrier decides to launch something at me. Oh, you never know. Without music, you might actually be able to hear what I'm saying. Not that what I'm saying is all that important most of the time, but I suppose it could be more important than the music. I'll say bye-bye to your entire squadron of torpedo bombers, bud. Oh, there we go. 142,000 damage. I mean, that's really about the average that I do on this ship. Normally I don't really do all that great, but, you know, I like playing it, so I'm going to go ahead and join another match and see if we can't get 143,000 damage. Alright, what we got here? Dunkirk, Hornet, Buzo. Oh, it's a 5 versus 7. Eeh. And a Fletcher. And the enemy team. I don't know if we're gonna win this one. Wow, bud, someone's mad. You play this game like word I can't say. That way, the only reason you have a problem with what I say is because you want some black. Jeez, it's Christmas, bud. Coniferous Weasel. It's in the Melvin. Alright, so. Where? Oh, where? Sheesh, bud. Someone is angry. And I don't know at what. Bro just woke up with a headache. Decided to take it out on other people. Random people in a gang, because that's what you do. Alright, well, whatever, bud. Gonna head on over here, see if I can't launch some of my torpedoes, perhaps. Better hits. Oh, that guy's, he's just right there. He's just right there. Don't get stuck. Wow. Wow. I just did amazing. Hey, I might actually get a few hits on this guy, though. Woo. Okay. We'll sit around here, let our damage tick up while he floods. Well, we got close. Ended up with 137,000 damage. Yippee skip. Alright. What we got this time? Dunkirk, Sangamon, Leningrad, Brooklyn, Dunkirk, and another Brooklyn. And they got Arkansas, Rodney, Brooklyn, Junio, Brooklyn, Fletcher. A lot of Brooklyns this time around. What's this over here? Rodney. I don't want to go up against a Rodney unless I have help. So we're probably going to stick close to this Dunkirk here. It's kind of nice right now. I'm sitting outside right now next to our pond. Sitting underneath a shade tree, just chilling. There's a lot of fish that keep coming up to the surface in the pond. They ain't big, but I kind of want to go fishing sometime. I can't hit him yet. What? 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 Already? Man, that's some bullshit. There ain't no way you already got torpedoes over here. You're lying. Oh my. Come on out, bud. Don't hide behind an iceberg. He's just gonna hide behind an iceberg. Okay. Well, then I'll come to you. Oh, we already lost the carrier. Big ant crawling on me. Yep, come on out, bud. Come on out. Actually, why am I asking you to come on out? You'll absolutely wreck me with those guns. Stay back there. Stay back. Oh, really? None of those are gonna hit him? Damn. Alright. Where am I getting shot at from now? Everywhere. Just everywhere. Okay. Alright, Rook. Come on. Yes. Alright. Cool. Yay. I really don't want to go up against you, man. Yeah, I'm just dead. Okay. Yep, alright. Cool. Well, once again, we didn't do very good. And once again, the first match was the best match. Why? Why is it always the first match that I do the best? That doesn't make any sense. I literally think every time I filmed a video, I did better the first match than any of the other matches I played after it. It just doesn't make sense. It does not compute. What is this guy doing? He's just way out there. Alright. Oh yeah, he's done. He's done. There we go. We got the victory. We took the W. I died, but my team won, so I won. That's how that works. But yeah, I believe that's going to be that. Didn't do anything real impressive there. I haven't really done anything real impressive in any of the videos, I don't think, but I think this one might have been particularly lame. But anyways, that's going to be it for now, so Thanks for watching.